Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're back with the Civic, the neglected Civic. So Ollie's going to go for a POV drive today. We're just going around pumping the tyres up. We had to preload the map back on because it erased it. I don't know why it's doing it, but look how neglected this car has been. Look at how
still under a tree.
He parked under a bloody tree.
The storm ruined my car cover. I didn't buy another one.
But yeah, he's finally going to get it out and he's going to go for a POV drive. Still looks nice. So the only really way you can test if this car's running a bass map again is to try and make the car two-step. So
that's the way I test it, the legit way.
Let's try and get some two-steps out of this biatch. Look at the aftermath of what he just chucked out. What the fuck is that?
Condensation in the exhaust just sitting there.
And some bird shit.
And loads of bird shit.
Oh, well, it looks like... Oh, it stinks. Oh, fuck. It looks like it's running.
Why though? Why
I don't know.
Though?
You tell me. It does what it wants. It's got a mind of its own.
It's fixed. Cheers, Jesse.
Yeah, let's do some POV driving of this bitch.
She's alive! Alright, so now that I've got the start of this driving with a stage 4 clutch all back in my, I don't know, mind, because it's actually quite nasty to drive. I look like an absolute weirdo with this on my head. And I've got Paul behind me recording some good old shots. As we said in the first video, the car's been having a few issues with the ECU, and Jesse re-uploaded the map back to the ECU, and it just seems like since then it's been fine. But he sent me over the map file for the pop and bang, which I thought we was going to be recording today, but the car fired up with no issues at all, so I didn't bother uploading the file. So we'll see 2 POV drives of this. This is without. This is straight up clean map, 340 brake, well, 295 wheel horsepower, which equates to whatever you want. So I think it's about 340. She's fast, and well, I've got to wait until this Golf's kind of out of the way and I get a nice straight bit of road. And yeah, I don't know if you can really hear all the cool turbo noises. and that's my dehumidifiers going all over the gaff, because as you can see, my car's been sitting for quite some time. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up now and just enjoy the drive, just enjoy the noises. Let's get them out of the way. Oh my god, this is so depressing. That BOV sounds so good. Come on, Golf, please turn off. I've got Paul up my arse. Come on, come on. I don't know if you saw that, but we are currently boost cutting at about 7.5. So I do need to take a trip up to Jesse and get it I don't even know the word. Adjusted. When he mapped it, it had a huge exhaust leak. Like huge, I mean like the turbo gasket absolutely got destroyed. That's what I mean. Right. No, we just boost cutted at 5k. Shit, that's not good. Fourth gear, boost cutting at 5k RPM. Good indicating, brother.